Hello guys, today I'm going to share with you an automation project using TIA Portal. Actually I want to, let's open this program. I want to show you how to connect a 1200 PLC with TIA HMI, and let's start. Let's create a project. I just call it today's date, March 25th of 2024, and let's create it. First I want to configure a device, and I want to add a 1200 PLC. Here I'm going to use the CPU, and here I want to use 1214 DC DC DC, and let's add it. This CPU is a very applicable CPU and I really like it. It takes a bit of time here to be up and running. Actually we have selected our CPU, and let's add a new device, PC systems. Here schematic HMI application, WinCC RT Advanced, and actually I want to connect these both devices together and run a very simple project. I want to use two buttons and turn a lamp on and off. Actually this is our PC system, WinCC RT Advanced, but in order to be able to connect these both devices, we need to add a card to this. And here we select communication modules, Profinet and IE General. We put it here. This has a Ethernet port, and here we can connect these two devices together. Actually they're not. They are now connected. After that I want to define some tags here. We come to PLC tags, and we define start underscore, I call it 12 in order, because this tag relates to our PLC. I put 12, means 1200. Here I don't want it to be an input, and I just take a memory bit, and also the same for stop underscore 12. Its type is boolean and it's a memory bit, and I also use a coil, use a tag name coil. I want it to be an output. Here we go. Actually now we go to PLC main OB1, and we're going to have our circuit. Here we call it start 12, and then stop 12, and the coil 12. Actually I want this to be like this. it should be a closed coil. Well, actually here I add a branch and put this holder here, call it coil. Well, actually this coil is parallel to our start button because it very fastly it turns on and off, and the circuit should be maintained with this coil. Well, actually, and this is our stop button. Well, we now go to our PC system HMI and create some tags here as well. Well, here HMI tags, and well, here it is. Add a new one, we call it start underscore PC. Its type should be a boolean. Well, it's not. Okay, here we under PLC tags we should choose our, well, this is a start, and let's click on OK. Here it's going to, our connection is made. Here we can check it here. Well, this is our connection which is made using Profinet. Here these are addresses, these are our addresses, and HMI schematic S7.1214 and our CPU. Well, let's go back and well, here we need a stop. Here we should opt for our stop button as well, and I call it lamp underscore PC. Good. Well, our tag here is the coil one. Well, I think the last thing should be configuring our screen. Here we use 3 buttons, 1, 2, and 3. This is start, this is stop, and this is exit. In order to stop runtime, here I want to use a circle as a lamp. Here I use a text and call it lamp. And, we can do this as well. Okay. Well, let's configure our buttons as well. Here we go to properties, events, and press. When we press start, we want to turn a bit to be set, so we select set bit, and here we need to select our tag. We select start, and when the button is released, we want the bit to be reset, and here we select the tag as well. Here we, well, now for our stop button, press. The function is exactly the same as the start button, and here we go to select the our tag stop. Well, here go to setting for the release. We want to be we want a, we want the bit to be reset. Here again we select the, well, actually everything is okay. Here for the exit button, we want to when we press the, in case of pressing the exit button, we want it to be well, actually the runtime we want to stop the runtime, so we search here stop runtime, and I think, well, actually here for our lamp we go to animation and we go to display, add a new animation and appearance. Here I choose the tag. Okay, I want it to be the same color as the background when it's off, but when it turns on I want it to be a nice color like this light blue, let me say. And here I want to change the appearance of these two buttons when they turn on and off. As a result, here I choose the appearance. Well, actually here appearance, let's choose the tag start, and here when it's 0 I do not want to I don't want to change the color of the button when it's 0, but when it turns on and turns to 1 I want it to become, let me say, light green. Okay, and the same process for the stop button. Let's choose the tag and then 0, no change. When it turns on I want it to become red. Well, I think everything is completed. Let's save our project. I compile my PC system, and also let's compile our, oh, excuse me, I made a mistake. Let's compile our PLC program as well. Well, let's start simulation. Here I'm using PLC scene as a simulator. So here, well, here I should select the connection type PNIE. Let's search for finding our PLC. It takes a bit of time. Here it is found, and let's load it. I'll actually load. I don't want my PLC to be running, so I select no action here and just press finish. Well, let's run the PC system simulation as well. In fact, here, well, I because I want to have both screens, my main OB screen and also my HMI screen, I go to runtime setting and on disable this full screen mode. So here I want to have this. Actually, I come here. This is my screen here, and also I want this to be up and running. Well, let's go online and watch our project. Here everything is green and happy. They're laughing. Well, let's have our HMI as well here. Okay, you can see. Well, here when I put start, you see our lamp turns on, and also here our circuit is on, our coil is on as well. When I put stop, our circuit turns off. Here you see start, stop, start, stop. Well, actually, although this project was really simple, it had a really simple circuit, but I mainly wanted to introduce the connection between this, RTU runtime advanced with our PLC. We can do these, and this is our screen of our project. And when you click start, our lamp, which can be a contactor or a motor, it turns on, and when you press stop, it turns off. When you press exit, the runtime stops and everything is finished. Thank you very much for watching my TV, and hope to see you with my more professional and advanced project. Thank you very much and have a nice time.